Hello and good morning. Let's start with another problem. Problem name is making a large island. You are given n crowns and binding matrix grid. You are allowed to change at most 1, 0 to 1. So binding matrix is having element 0 and 1. We can change 1, 0 to 1. Return the size of largest island in grid after applying this operation. Island is a four-directionally connected group of ones. Four directionally connected group means that from a one we can move to all the four directions, that is before it, after it, top and bottom. We can move to this direction. If there is one, then it is considered presenting current island. Okay. Now next move to the sample test examples. So initially we are given this array. So the component initially are island, or we say as component initially are that this one is one component and this one component. In the problem, we can change 1, 0 to 1 and we need to find the maximum size island or component. Suppose we change this to 1, then the maximum size we are able to achieve is considering these three. So maximum size we are able to achieve is 3. Apart from this, if we change this to 1, then we are able to achieve maximum size as this, and its size again is going to be 3. Maximum we are able to achieve is 3. We need to return this answer. Now move to the second test case. Now initially the maximum size island is this, and we can change 1, 0 to 1. After changing this to 1, all this 4 going to merge it, so maximum size we are able to achieve is 4. Next test case, we are given all as 1 and there is no 0. We are able to change it, so maximum answer we can able to achieve is 4. So now move to the idea. So this is the grid we are given. Initially the component are component or island are like this one component, this one component, and this one component. We cannot move in diagonally, so they can consider as one island. We can move only in 4 direction, and there is one component this. Okay. Okay. Now we can change 1, 0 to 1. If we change this 1 to 0 to 1, then this component and this component and this component is going to merge, as we can travel as this and this. So initially size of this is 2 and 3, 3, 8. Its size is 8 and its size is 4. Its size is also 4. So changing this 0 to 1, these two components are going to consider as one component and moving across this one. So size is going to be 2 plus 8 and this one, that is 11. So by changing this 0 to 1, we are able to achieve maximum size as 11. If we not change this to 0 to 1 and if we change this to 1, then this component and this component are going to merge, because we can travel from this to this, and now size is going to be 8 plus 4 plus this one, that is 13. So we now able to achieve 13 as maximum island size. If we do not change this one or this one, if we change this one, then this is going to merge, and now our size is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9. And apart from this, if we do not change these ones, if we change any some random, suppose this, then this is going to merge again, they are same size. If we change this one, then no component is going to merge, and if this is need to be considered, if we take maximum across grid, then we need to consider this as individually this grid having 8 size, so maximum is again going to be 1, as by changing this 0 to 1 we are able to achieve only 1. So now let's move to the code part. So what we want to do is that initially given grid we want to find all the Iceland. So initially we find all the Iceland. How we are going to find this Iceland is already covered in a medium problem. So in that problem we want to find the maximum size Iceland. In that case we are not changing this 0 to 1. So you can refer that video. And after finding all these initial component, we try to travel on the grid and try to change all 0 to 1 and check uh, around 4 direction if there is any component which we have not considered. We just take out answer from that component and add in current and update our answer. So this is the basic idea we are going to do. Now let's move to the code part. So submission, submissions, accept. Okay. So this is the initial area to move in 4 direction, and after this is the function which calculate the answer. So we are given initially as graph or grid with zeros and 1. We can find NNM, that is size of grid. Next we create a visited array of size NM with initially as 0. After this we are calculating size of initial components. So initial component, when we reach at any node having value 1 and it's currently not vested, we DFS over it. In DFS what we are doing, we traveling across all 4 direction. If we reach out of grid we return 0, or if it is already vested we return 0. If it's 0 we return 0. If it's 0 then it's not in current Iceland, so we return it 0. After my this xy as visited with value c. What we see as showing initially c is 1, and after calculating visiting all the current Iceland we are increasing it. So for each Iceland node xy we are storing c as its id. So for each Iceland nodes we are storing its id. Okay. Apart from this, now we have listed a node having value 1, so answer is going to be 1. Now we are traveling across it 4 direction, updating answer. Okay. And finally returning this answer. And this answer is so this answer 1 is calculating the answer of current component Iceland. Now up fine initially answer is 1, as we can change 1 0 to 1. So initially answer is 1. After calculating answer for current size Iceland, we are updating this answer with maximum. Apart from this, we are storing a mapping of ID and its size. So for each Iceland, we are creating its ID, and for corresponding ID, we are storing its size of Iceland. So for C ID Iceland, its size is answer 1. As answer 1 is read from this DFS because we are going to use it later on. Why? Next, we are traveling again on grid, and if there is a 0, we try to change this to 1 and travel across it 4 direction and check if we can merge them. So as we change this to 1, so now it's going to be initially answer is going to be 1, and we maintaining a set of BB to check whether in 4 direction we already consider this component or not. So we travel across 4 direction. If it is out of grid, if it is within grid, and if it is a 1, if it is a if it is a 1, okay, if it is 1 we check whether this invested we are storing IT, and we in BV we are storing the IDs, whether we have checked in any other 4 direction. If we have not checked it, not visited, we added it to BV as we have already considered this component, and from this visited ID we find this size from this mapping and update this answer 1. So while moving across 4 direction, we are checking whether we have considered this component by using the ID of component, and by the using ID we find the size and update the answer 1. And finally we update final answer with answer 1 and return this answer. I hope this makes you clear. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you and bye.